Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can solve this status access violation or this page is having a problem error on Edge browser. Well, when I open the Edge browser, it shows the message this page is having a problem. And when I try to sign into my account, it simply goes back to the page again after signing into the account. And when I try to delete the history and cache files, it just doesn't stay and goes back to the problem page again. Well, this problem may occur due to a number of reasons, which may include corrupted files, third-party extensions, and or outdated browsers, etc. Well, to solve this issue, you can try many things like restarting the browser, disabling or deleting the third-party extensions, or updating or reinstalling the Edge browser. Well, before doing any of that, just restart your system. It will close all the files running in the background of the system. Then open the Edge browser again. And here you can see it started working. And when I sign into my account, it doesn't go back to the error page. Now, just go to your history and select everything and then clear it to delete all the browsing data. Then go to About Microsoft Edge under Help and Feedback to update your browser if it's not updated already. Moreover, do check the Windows Update and install them. And in worst case scenario, if none of the tricks work, then download and install the Edge browser again. Or modify it. And this is how you can solve the status access violation or this page is having a problem error on Edge browser. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.